In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move or copy files in OneDrive using Microsoft 365. Whether you're using OneDrive for personal storage or managing important documents for work, being able to organize your files efficiently is key to staying productive. So let's dive in and get your files sorted. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Microsoft account. This part is straightforward. Head over to the Microsoft website and enter your login details. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main landing page filled with various apps and options. Next, look towards the upper left corner and click on the app launcher, which resembles a grid of tiny squares. This launcher gives you quick access to all the Microsoft 365 apps you might use every day. Among the options you'll see, go ahead and click on OneDrive. This will open OneDrive in a new tab, bringing you directly to your cloud storage space. Upon entering OneDrive, look for the My Files section. Clicking here will show you all the files and folders you have stored in OneDrive. This is essentially the workspace where you can find everything you've saved from various devices. Now, it's time to decide which files you'd like to move. Browse through your folders and select the files you want to organize differently. You can select a single file or hold down the control key to select multiple files at once. This multi-selection feature is especially handy if you're dealing with a large number of files. Once you've made your selection, you have a couple of options. You can either move or copy these files to another location. For moving, click on the Move To button located on the top menu bar. Alternatively, you can also click on more options by selecting the three dots, and from the drop-down menu, choose the Move To option. Next, you'll see a list of available folders where you can move your files. Browse through this menu and find the target folder that best fits your needs. This step is crucial for keeping everything organized, so take a moment to ensure you choose the right destination. After selecting your destination folder, click on Move here. This final step will transfer your selected files from their current location to your chosen folder. The process is quick and you'll get a notification once it's complete, confirming that your files have been successfully moved. And there you have it, you've learned how to efficiently move or copy files within OneDrive using Microsoft 365. It's a simple process that helps keep your digital workspace tidy and enhances your organization's efficiency. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips and guides.